Hi everyone, Chef Petey back again. So today I want to share with you my braised chicken wings with shiitake mushrooms recipe. This is one of the dishes that my mom used to cook for us when growing up, and it's one of my all-time favorite Cantonese dishes. It's easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at what we need for today for ingredients. So I have 3 pounds of chicken wings. The tips are removed and it's separated. I have half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine. We're going to use this to marinate the chicken wings ahead of time. I have 4 to 5 slices of ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I also have 1.5 cups of water, and in addition to half a tablespoon of chicken base. You can also use chicken powder, because basically you can use chicken broth as well, which I do not have tonight. Also with me right here is the shiitake mushroom. So this is dried mushroom. It kind of comes in a package like this. You can get this at any Asian grocery store. And you soak it in hot water for about an hour. And then I have 10 of these, and we're gonna squeeze the water out, and then we'll cut it up. Okay, let's get prepping. All right, so first let's marinate the chicken wings. So you're gonna salt it, soy sauce, and rice wine. Just dig in there with your fingers and massage it in there. Now it's best to let it sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, while that's marinating, let's cut up the mushroom. And just wring out the water. All right, now we're just gonna cut it up. Just gonna get rid of the stem. Now we're just gonna cut it into slivers. Okay, you're gonna let this wok heat it up really hot. I got canola oil, but you can use any vegetable oil. In goes the wings. And you're gonna let it brown, let it sit for several minutes. It's cooking for about 3.5 minutes. I'm gonna flip it. So I've been braising for about 10 minutes now. So let's turn the heat off. Notice how it's kind of brown right here? That's what gives you that flavor now. We'll take the wings out. This is what's going to give you that flavor right here. Turn it back on. Now we're going to put the ginger in. We're going to toast it for a little bit here. Now we put the garlic, and again, we don't want to burn it, so it's going to be a quick stir fry right here like that. Now it goes in the shiitake mushroom. And let the mushroom absorb all that flavor. About a minute or so. Now we put the chicken wings back in. A quick toss. In goes our chicken stock or water. And let it simmer. We'll turn it down to like medium. Probably simmer for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, about 15 to 20 minutes. And the chicken looks like it's almost falling off the bones here, so I'm gonna add some of the seasoning in there. So I want to do the chicken base. We got the oyster sauce. Light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce, basically just to give it some color. Sesame oil, white pepper powder, and sugar. Okay, now we're going to take cornstarch, add some water. I got about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it with water. The slurry is going to thicken it up. And you might have to put all of it in, but just put a little bit at a time until it gets thick enough. Okay, that's thick enough right there. So again, you won't need all of it. There it is. Let's plate it up. And don't forget to take the ginger out. So any ginger you see, just pop it out. Now I like a lot of sauce, then we could put it over rice. So it's actually your preference. There you go. Let's go sample. All right, here we go. Sample time. I got a bowl of rice, I got the chicken, and I got the mushrooms, and I got some sauce in here. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Mmm. Meat is just falling off the bone. Mmm. So it's packed with flavor. It's got that ginger. You can taste that ginger and garlic in here. And that oyster sauce really adds to it. So I hope you get a chance to try out the recipe. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.